I'm going to do is I'm going to spiral wrap these cables. And I think this one here, which I wasn't too keen on how it looked, I'm going to spiral wrap with this one and hide these other two connectors within the spiral wrap so that they come off like a branch, probably along here I think, come off as a branch. Or I might even, if it's long enough, I might even go straight to the top and come over, which it is, so I could just do that. Yeah? So I'll spiral wrap from the bottom here all the way to the top and form around. So what we'll do is first of all work out how much length I require. Start at the bottom here, so you open it up by twisting it a little bit, and then basically all you do is twist it, take it out of the way there, around your cable. So you're effectively just doing this around the cable. Yeah, and as you do it, it will wrap the cable. Just keep it a bit neater, a bit more space agey. So there we go, and there we go, and we go. And what if you find that you've oh dear, I haven't allowed enough length, when you get to the top, you can actually draw it from the bottom and bring it back up again. So I just have to take this as quick as I can because my battery's getting low. I've got the warning come up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go as far as I can, or as high as I can up here. Yeah, I'm going to divert loud enough cable. I think I have enough spiral wrap. Sorry. So when you want to change direction, basically what you do is instead of going around the other cable, yeah, you're carrying on up the top here, you start going around your secondary cable, the one that's going to fork off. Not. There's a different F word. It's not that one. So and then you start wrapping around your other one. Now you can finish these things off with heat shrink if you like. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to worry about that. So I think it's getting a bit pedantic. So that has to come up there. Let me carry on. It's a bit fiddly. Right, around. Otherwise you can twist it like this and then bring it around. But it's starting a bit untidy there. That's coming. So you just once you've got it on, you pull it apart a little bit, and then you see what's happened there. You got this nice, neat. We come up to the next plug, which is another plug getting used. This is where the modular systems, yeah, the modular cable systems are far nicer, but they are more money, and like I say, I just want to keep the costs down. So this way, these ones with the wiring cable, it's fine for my purpose. The end is nigh. Some ways it would have been easier if I just took the plug back out of the CD drive there. Oh, plug just came out. Alright, so it did it for me. So that would have been easy just to do that. That one there looks like it's got too many turns on it, so what it is, it's got a bit of a twist in it. And you can tidy these bits up with tape if you want, black tape, or use heat shrink. I've done it like that before. Heat shrink was quite nice. So let's go in there. So now all I've got to do now is tie wrap these into place. And here, so here's one I found earlier. This neatens it up. We haven't got all those horrible yellow and red wires showing there now, so that's tie wrapped on there like so. I'm going to tie wrap that one onto here like so, and then that one onto there like so, and I'll push these up the back out of the way. Let's tie that on top ones there. So that does look a lot neater. I think you must agree. I hope you do anyway. I'm not saying, oh look what this idiot's done this time. It also takes the tension, doesn't it, off the actual cable itself. So it does a couple of jobs. One thing, it protects the wire, the spiral wrap does, from any potential rubbing. Yeah, I'll use cutters normally. Try to cut the other wires. There you go. So there you go. So I'll put these out of the way like so. So that's one there, like so. This one here as well got to be cut off. there's no other. The cable here wasn't actually long enough to go up here, so that's going across the motherboard. I don't think it looks too bad, really. I think there's a major improvement. So it's definitely worth considering using the spiral wrap. It's not the same as a body wrap. You could try, but I think it'd be quite painful, especially when you get to your nether regions. So don't do it. I have to use my scalpel. There we go. And then we can continue wrapping that cut end around the rest of that wire at the bottom, and then it'll be hunky-dory. I think it looks quite alright, actually. That's made a huge difference. So it's a simple idea. A spiral wrap that we use on the boats for making up wiring looms and tidying up cables behind consoles, etc. So I hope you like that. Oh yeah, don't forget, click, like and subscribe if you would, please.